meditation in Premlataji's house, and the crowd was mainly a lot of Chinese people were there, and there was a very good interaction between Dr. G and the people. They asked a lot of questions, and he spoke about happiness, and the participants were very, keen in answering, and doctor was very keen in answering the questions and all that. End of the session, they were very happy, and they wanted more of this section, so we are planning to have one more. And after that, that night, I had a satsang in my house, and he's talked about Bhagavan Krishna's, one of the Leelas he spoke. And the next day, it was a Tamil school we went. 2 years back, I did go to this Tamil school, and the principal was not under he didn't want to give us to chant there. But recently I heard that the principal has left the school, and we went. And this time, before going, I was told that this principal is a Christian teacher. I said, Rama, in the time, then we went there. She was